To use Best Egg Loan Payoff. Start by understanding what Best Egg is. A personal loan provider that offers loans for various purposes, including debt consolidation and large purchases. The payoff process is straightforward and can be completed online or by phone. First, log into your Best Egg account to view your loan details, including the current balance, interest rate, and payoff amount. You can also access this information by contacting Best Egg customer service. Next, determine how much you want to pay, either the minimum payment, the current balance, or a custom amount. Best Egg allows you to make extra payments, which can help reduce the principal amount and lower the total interest paid over the life of the loan. To make a payment, navigate to the payment section of your account. Select the payment method, and enter the payment amount. Best Egg accepts payments by bank transfer, check, or money order. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. When making a payment, consider paying more than the minimum to reduce the principal amount and interest paid. You can also use the Best Egg Payoff calculator to determine how much you need to pay each month to pay off your loan by a specific date. Best practices for using Best Egg Loan Payoff include making timely payments, monitoring your account regularly, and considering bi-weekly payments to reduce the principal amount faster. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with your loan, such as late payment fees or origination fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Best Egg Loan Payoff to manage your loan and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always review your loan terms and conditions to understand your obligations and make informed decisions about your loan repayment.